equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? Equipotential means potential is equal everywhere on a particular surface. Suppose let us take a point charge, isolated point charge. This is an for isolated charge, isolated point charge. For isolated point charge, so let us take a point charge, let us assume it is plus q. So if you take a isolated point charge at a distance r, 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 that is if you go in all three dimension, the potential, what is potential? The potential for an isolated point charge is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge divided by the distance. Suppose if you take a distance at distance r, so it will form a spherical shell. So this, assume it is a spherical shell. It will form a spherical shell. It is at a distance of r, it is at a distance of r, it is at a distance of r, it is at a distance of r in 3 dimension. What is potential? The potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi. This is always remain constant. Its potential is varies inversely as r. It means r is increasing, potential will decrease. Now we can say it means for a isolated point charge, the equipotential. So what is potential here? Say it is V1. So same potential will be here also. Same potential will be here also. Same potential will be here also. Same potential will be here also, because V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi into charge, this charge. We call it as this charge, positive charge, into distance. This distance is same. So this surface is called, what is this surface? This is a spherical sphere. Spherical sphere, it goes this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. So it will form a spherical sphere. The potential equipotential surface will be a spherical sphere on which at every point on the spherical sphere the potential is same, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into the distance. Suppose we take another point. Suppose this is one, another one. If you take same, if we are expanding it here, plus q, and this is for r1 and this is for r2. So this is of radius r1 and this is for radius r2, and we take one more here for distance r3 from this center. The charge is at the center, the charge q is at the center, r2. As the potential varies inversely as 1 by r, it means if r is increasing, potential will be decreasing. Potential, it means here at everywhere this is potential 1, this is equipotential surface, equipotential surface, and 1, this is equipotential surface 2, because this is at a distance of r2. Since r is increasing, potential will be decreasing, that is V2, that is this is at every point the potential is V2. This is here is V1, this is equipotential surface for distance r1, this is equipotential surface for distance r2, and this is everywhere on this is V3. It means what is V3? V1 is equal to, we call it K into Q by R1, and V2 is equal to K into Q divided by R2, and V3 is equal to K into Q divided by R3, as R1 is less than R2 is less than R3. So this is concentric spherical shell, this is concentric spherical shell 2, and this is concentric spherical shell, and this surface is a equipotential surface, this is also another equipotential surface, this is also another equipotential surface. So R1 is R1, this is for R1, this is R2, and this is R3. R1 is R, it means potential, what it will have, it inversely proportional. Potential 1 is greater than and potential 2 is greater than at potential 3. That means here this is potential equipotential surface having potential V1, and this is having potential surface V2, and this is will having V3, and everywhere on this surface will be V3, everyone on this surface will be on this surface will be on this surface will be V2, everyone on the surface. So potential on this one shell is equal, another shell is also equal everywhere at the point at the surface, but V1 is not equal to V2 because V depends upon R. So V1 is equal to 1 by R1, V2 is equal to 1 by R2, V2 is proportional to 1 by R2, V3. So it means V1, V2. So potential at this point, this is having a potential of V3, this will have a potential of V2, this will have a potential, so and this is equal equipotential surface. Everywhere the potential here is V1, this is equipotential surface 2, everywhere on this surface the potential is same, and here everywhere the equipotential surface is V3. V3. These are the equipotential surface 1, 2 and 3. In this case, see, V1 cannot be equal to V1, potential on surface cannot be equal to potential on this equipotential surface 2, and this is not equal to potential and equipotential surface 3. In term, R, as R is increasing, potential will be decreasing according to this equation, according to the relation. So R1 is less than R2, potential here will be more, or we can say here is 60 volt potential, here will be somewhere less, that is say 40 volt, and here will be 20 volt. It means what? The equipotential surface or concentric spherical surface around the charge, around this charge Q, potential on the spherical surface goes on decreasing as radius increasing. As radius is increasing, potential on the surface goes on, potential as the spherical surface goes on decreasing. So this is V1, this is V2, this is V3. So V1 will be bigger than V2 as R1 is less than R2. R1 is less than, see the less, we have already seen this example, that is electric field is equal to minus dV by dr. It means along the direction of electric field, this is what is the direction of electric field? The direction of electric field positive charge, it will be in this direction. It means this is the direction of electric field, but potential V1 keep on decreasing. So potential decreases along the direction of electric field with respect to the distance. This is the case of concentrics. This is the case of point charge. For point charge, simply at every point from the point charge, we will have one equipotential surface. Another distance from here, we will have another equipotential surface. That the potentials are same in the same equipotential surface, but V1 here, this potential and this potential are not same, but here the potential is same. That is why it is called equipotential surface. And if you go here all the points the potentials are same, but this potential at this point is not equal to potential at this point, and vice versa. Equipotential surface for uniform electric field. Uniform electric field, how it will be? The electric field lines will be like this, equally spaced lines. So this is positive side of the electric field, this is the negative side of the electric field. Okay, for uniform electric field, what will happen? See, from, let us take it from a distance. At this distance, potential, what is potential? Potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge by distance. So it means from here and from here to here, from here to here. So it means, now let us see, this is from this point, at this point also same, 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 at this, so it means it will form a space equal, this is, it will form a phase like this. This is VA at every point. At every point, the potential will be for this. The equipotential surface will be a spherical sheet. It means from here, 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 here. It means it will form a rectangular sheet. So this is equipotential surface at a distance, some distance C. Now, for this also, here also, it will be like this. It will be like this. You can take an example. See, let us take this one. From here, this is uniform electric field, and this is distance at this point, 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 at this point. The potential is same because the potential is at equal distance at everywhere in this area, in this plane. So here also the potential will be like this, VB. So everywhere potential VB, VA is same at every point in equipotential surface 1. This is 1, this is 2, and same is for surface, equipotential surface 2, and same is for 3 also, and so on. Because suppose from here this equipotential surface will be a rectangle. From here, this is surface 1, from here this is surface 2, and what is this shape? It is a rectangular. So on this surface potential is same, on this surface potential is same, but potential at A is not equal to potential at B, because potential depends upon the distance. Potential depends upon the distance. So here the potential is same, here, which is equal to V at every point on this equipotential surface, potential is same. Here everywhere on this equipotential surface is same, but this potential at this point and this potential at this points are different, because potential depends upon the distance. As distance increases, potential will decrease. That is, VA is greater than VB. Second point, now for strong electric field, let us assume uniform. For strong, it means the number of field lines will be more. EQ spaced, this is strong. What is weak? Weak means 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is for strong, if this uniform electric field, that is, this is uniform electric field, for this uniform electric field, and if it is strong, then equipotential surface, let us assume it like this, or surface 1. So instead of seeing like this, we will see like this, like. So for strong electric field, the equipotential surface 1 and 2 will be closer. Equipotential surface, these both are will be closer. Suppose for weak electric field, this weak electric field, number of field lines are far away from each other. It is uniform but weak. Here in a given area, how many electric field lines are there? 5. Here, how many electric field lines are there? Here 3. So this is weak electric field as compared with this one. Here, for weak electric field, the electric will be away, for distant. It means here 1, 2, 3, it is closer. The equipotential surfaces are closer, but here the equipotentials are distant. The equipotential are close and distant apart for weak electric field. This is weak electric field, strong electric field. Strong electric field means they are closer, the equipotential surface are closer. Weak means it is far away. This is as far as the uniform electric field concerned. For uniform electric field, the electric equipotential surface will be a rectangular sheet or circular, whatever you can feel, but at the same distance, potentially same. But another point, the potential difference will be same at the equipotential from here to here. The potential is same everywhere on the surface, but only thing here one sheet is there. So this potential difference, because the potential depends upon the distance of separation. So, and first thing you have to remember this one. This is the potential surface, equipotential surface. This is the electric field, and because it's a positive charge, electric field will be moving this way, and they are at 90 degrees. So we have to note this point: the equipotential surface and electric field lines are perpendicular to each other. It means what? If it is perpendicular to each other, it means what? The electric field is this way, the potential equipotential surface will be perpendicular to each. It means it is very simple. Equipotential surface is at 90 degree, at perpendicular or normal to the electric field.